Good morning, viewers, and this is Shensha telling you that the science of today is technology of tomorrow. And I am your host, Martin Luis.
And I am your co-host, Jerry Lata.
Today we will be talking about temperature. It is the measure of the average heat or thermal energy of the particles in the substance, or the degree of hotness or coldness, and also a measure of how fast the atoms and molecules of the substance are moving.
Since it is an average measurement, it does not depend on the number of particles in an object, meaning it does not depend on the size of it.
For example, the temperature of a small cup of boiling water is the same as the temperature of a large pot of boiling water, even if the large pot is bigger and has more water molecules.
So this is the thermometer used in measuring the temperature in something in the most common scales, Fahrenheit and Celsius, and especially the scale used in science, Kelvin. The temperature is the color red in the thermometer that tells us the exact temperature.
The higher the position of the mercury, the hotter the temperature is.
The lower the mercury, the colder it is.
Let's proceed to performing an experiment.
For our experiment, we need 3 beakers. One containing cold water, one with hot water, and the last one with room temperature. We then label the beakers according to the temperature of water.
We drop the same amount of food coloring to each of the beakers and observe how fast the food coloring dissolves in each of the beakers.
As we can see, the green food coloring dissolves the fastest with the hot water, and the green food coloring dissolves the slowest in cold water.
This shows us that the higher the temperature, the faster the molecules move, while the slower the temperature, the slower the molecules get. That's why the food coloring dissolves faster in hot water than cold water.
We'll be right back after a short break. Please tag us with our hashtag SiyensiyaPH in your tweets if you have any questions.
She lost her consciousness because of fetal exhaustion, an illness caused by loss of water or salt in a person's body and being exposed to high temperatures. She could have experienced other symptoms like nausea and muscle cramps. How do we keep this from happening? She must drink a lot of water, especially in hot days, and must also maintain the salt in her body. Thus, we should take care of our body for a healthy future.
And we're back with Cientia, and the three teachers asked the most number of times which contains this question. I was told that the closer one it is to the sun, the hotter it is. So I said that the higher the altitude one is at, the colder it is.
The reason it's actually colder is because as you go up in the atmosphere, the Earth's atmosphere feels less pressure the higher up you go.
So as the gas in the atmosphere rises, it feels less pressure, which makes it expand. When the gas expands, it does some work, and if it's doing work, it must lose some energy. And if it loses energy, the temperature must drop, because we define temperature as the average energy of the particles.
Therefore, if the energy of the particles is lower, the temperature must be lower. That's why, at altitude, the temperature appears to fall. And
And this is Shensha, telling you that the science of today is the technology of tomorrow.